Hi, my name is Michael Kaplan. I'm the Vice President of Strategic Development at Mental Images, and I'm responsible for the iray project. Let me show you what iray rendering mode, which will be in Mental Ray 3.8 and Reality Server 3.0 products, will be able to do. Everything you're seeing here is completely real-time, no pre-computed lighting, and no pre-computed rendering. And as you can see, I can move around the scene interactively. When I release the mouse, it converges dynamically on the final image. In this case, with the lighting being fairly straightforward, the final image is achieved in only seconds. This is a scene exported from 3D Studio Max. We have light coming in from the outside, and we also have some area lights in the scene itself. The full global illumination solution is being computed as you watch. Another thing I can do is I can simply move the camera to a different location, and I can use a brush called the ray brush to finalize an area of the scene by focusing the entire power of the 4 GPUs on one area to achieve the final image in that area. Now let's move to a more complicated scene. This is an office scene done by an architecture firm, and you can see the very complex interreflections, semi-glossy surfaces, transparency, and subtle shadows being produced in real time as we watch. I think iray makes most sense for people doing visualization. Architects, interior designers, car designers, consumer product designers, someone who wants to make a virtual photograph and do this in the easiest, fastest, and most accurate manner. You don't need special hardware to run the iray rendering mode because it works with standard multi-core CPUs. But if you have CUDA-enabled GPU hardware, it will significantly accelerate the final image generation and provide the interactive convergence to final image of global illumination images that you see here. If you're a customer of Mental Ray 3.8 or an end-user customer of an application vendor who integrates iray through Mental Ray, then you will automatically have the iray rendering mode on your desktop application. If you are using Reality Server 3.0, then you will get iray as a rendering mode of that server. Reality Server is a 3D cloud computing platform product from Mental Images, which enables large collaborative scenes to be interactively rendered at high quality and delivered to simple client applications like web browsers or mobile phones. In the 3.0 version, it will include the iray rendering mode. So, in conclusion, iray is a new rendering mode which enables the end user to produce photographic, physically accurate images without tweaking or setting artificial parameters for rendering software. In other words, without having to understand the rendering software, and to do this in an interactive manner with interactive preview. The key is that it is a physical light simulation and not an approximation of the actual result. This enables it to be very easy to use and to essentially simulate a virtual photography studio. The user simply creates the scene or the object, tells iray to render it, and gets the result automatically.